The special edition Audi TT RS Coupe Iconic Edition confidently meets the high expectations set by its aesthetics. The RS-specific Nardo gray finish sets the right tone for the exclusive and athletic demands of the special model. This elegant shade of gray was named after the legendary Italian race track, Pista di Nardo, where Audi RS models also rack up their first test kilometers. As one of the most popular individual finishes with customers, it ensures an optimal first impression. The stylish feel is further enhanced by standard matrix LED lights and the glossy black grille with a matte black single frame, which clearly emphasizes the Quattro lettering in a matte titanium look. The RS model also confidently wears side skirts in glossy black, along with the Audi rings, the TT RS model designation on the front and rear, as well as the casings of the exterior mirrors. The unique 20 inches glossy black alloy wheels with a 7-arm design and matching black brake calipers continue the design language down to the last detail. Partially frosted rear triangular windows with the exclusive Iconic Edition lettering complete the striking dark look of the coupe right down to the rear, and the standard OLED rear lights. Legendary 5-cylinder engine brings unparalleled sound. The TT RS Coupe Iconic Edition relies on Audi Sport's proven 2.5 TFSI engine with 400 PS and maximum torque of 480 Nm. Numerous successes in motorsports make it one of Audi's most compelling powertrains. As is typical of the TT RS, its power goes via a 7-speed S-tronic to the permanent all-wheel Quattro drive. An electro-hydraulically controlled multi-plate clutch, which debuted in 1998 as part of the Audi TT, distributes all-wheel power freely between the front and rear axles. The Audi Drive Select driving dynamics system allows the driver to control the Quattro drive system and other components, such as steering, 7-speed S-tronic, exhaust flaps, and engine characteristics. The top speed of the TT RS Coupe Iconic Edition is increased to 174 miles per hour. This compact sports car sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The engine provides a highly emotional driving experience with its typical 1-2-4-5-3 firing order and the accompanying throaty sound. Because of the firing order, adjacent and non-adjacent cylinders fire alternately, producing a very specific rhythm and character which is emphasized by the RS Sport exhaust system. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.